Hemi44 gang, what's happening? What's going on? It's your boy Hemiwife44.
Hemiwife44.
Kids.
Who?
Kids.
Man, your kids, you got a name.
Shay.
What's your name?
Huh?
Hemi boy.
Who? They can't even see you, bro.
Hemi boy.
You see, this is what we gotta go through. Like when you're dealing with family content, they be acting brand new. What? Hey, the other one.
Caleb.
You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Missing somebody.
Oh, the other one over there, he on the phone.
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
No.
Your name King?
No.
No? Okay.
That's King. But man, I don't know why.
Man, it's getting kind of warm in here.
AC off because you hit that button.
Oh, okay.
So 44 gang, we are about to do something we hadn't done in a while. Some of y'all probably missed. Some that we had a lot of, I ain't gonna say a lot of success because we ain't done a lot of them, but the ones that we have done, they've been good. And y'all know what I'm talking about, pranks. But that's what we're finna do today, man. We're finna prank my mama and my daddy, man, with this, y'all seen the thumbnail and the title, man, with this Chucky doll. They hadn't probably seen or heard nothing about a Chucky since the movie came back. Since the movie came out way in the 90s, 80s, really the 80s, I want to say.
It was the late 80s.
Yeah, the first one was like the late 80s. You know what I mean? So they hadn't heard. I told my daughter, I didn't even know it was a Chucky doll in real life. I didn't know you could buy that doll in real life. Like, I didn't know I thought that was just movie. And when she hit me with it, she called me and sent me a picture of it, her holding it. And I'm like, they got a real doll? There you go right there. Y'all can see. I was like, they got a real doll with this thing?
Oh, I
you know what I'm saying?
Trying to look by itself. My bad. Don't do that.
See, he already hitting the
I'm
doll.
scared of Chucky. I'm not gonna lie.
What is Caleb?
He already hitting the doll. Let me see him.
Is Caleb okay?
Let me see him.
Oh.
It felt like it was turning by itself for a second.
Y'all can see, man. Chucky, man. Charles Lee Ray. That was it.
You should have got the old one. You should have got the old one.
I'm dead. Wait
a minute. We don't want to come on. We can't have that. Can't have that witchcraft stuff. We take it back. We're not gonna
but if y'all hadn't seen Chucky, man, y'all go see all those Chucky. She actually got that doll. Her sister then got the Bride of Chucky. They got two of those. Then they got the Bride of Chucky, which I don't know why she bought that. I don't know what possessed her to buy that. So we finna figure out how we're gonna do it. We have no idea how we're gonna do this right now. How we're gonna set this up. What I'm thinking, we're gonna have to try to find a way to get the doll in the house without them knowing. A lot of times.
Your mama is working right now. Yeah,
my mama, she in her office. My daddy most likely in his room. So maybe we can walk in and the doll, you know what I mean? And you know what I'm saying? I don't know. We'll figure it out. But we're gonna bring the doll in, hide the doll somewhere. Then we're gonna, you know what I'm saying? Wait till they gone. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out, man. We just gonna let it go. But I know it's gonna scare them. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna see how we're gonna do it. Y'all let us know if y'all want more pranks from us, what y'all want from the family channel, man. We're finna try to get back on this family channel, really start doing things. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Hemiwife44. Make sure y'all follow Hemiwife44 on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? For more skits and stuff like that. We do a lot of skits on Instagram too.
A lot.
But y'all heard my son, he back there on YouTube on his phone. I don't know how loud that is. I forgot my mics, man. That's what I knew it was something I was forgetting when I left there. I forgot my mics. I wanted to be mic'd up for some of this. But obviously that didn't happen because we forgot them. But yeah, man, so we finna go on. Right now we down the street. We came and parked somewhere so we can do this intro. But we finna go on to the house. We're gonna try to figure out a way to get the doll in the house without them knowing. But yeah, let's get right to that.
All right, 44 gang. So we're here at my mother-in-law's house. Now, let me go ahead and just run it right quick and let y'all know this. She already knew we were coming to visit. She knew we were coming to bring her grandkids to see if we were going to come hang out for a little while. So right now, I was about to say she's in the study. Oh my God. My father-in-law is in the study and my mother-in-law is in the room working. So we're going to go ahead and go in and set up everything. And I'm gonna leave it up to him to figure out how to get her out the room. You think we should have the kids make some noise or something? Or
we'll figure that out. They can just call them or something.
Break some out of. No, but I do that.
They can just call
get
them.
banned from their house.
We'll figure it out. But we're finna get ready to get out. go in here and sneak the doll in. So the way the house is set up, we can take it straight to the room and she'll never know. So let's get to it, man. Yes.
There you go.
Sneak it in here. Huh?
Here, you
Here, let me run it back. Light on, hold on. So we're gonna hide it. Should we let it?
Like stand it up in front of the door or something.
Can he stand up by himself?
Yeah. You got his arm. Oh my God, look at my baby arm.
Oh, he can stand up?
Yeah, he can. You just gotta.
Hold on, let's see if we can get him to stand up. That way when we keep putting him down there, he'll be able to stand up.
There we go. Now, if he come to hunt you, why would you do him like that?
Scaring me back in the day. I never got over it. It took me years to get over that slapping. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's go. My bad. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do your budget like this.
Fix his hair.
Huh?
Fix his hair.
Is he pretty now?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put him there just in case they walk in here. I have to fix his hair again. But let's go figure out how we're gonna get him down here. Well, my mama already down there, so what we're gonna have to do is wait till they come back here. And then we're gonna have to figure out, we're gonna have to hear everything. I don't know, because they don't come in this room. This is like a guest room. So we're gonna have to wait till they go in their room for something and run back here, get the dog, set it up and all that. We'll figure it out. Y'all stay tuned. Yep. Well, let me show y'all what's happening. Let me show y'all what's happening in here. Mama, what we doing?
That D number 14 right
No,
there.
get
What
back.
we
Don't-
doing?
Don't
Hold on,
nobody
buddy.
touch it.
What we doing?
Just
We frying fish and can't nobody sample it.
What we doing? What's in here? This mo.
Oh, it's apple for apple. Apple.
You ain't making no apple
you
pie?
don't.
You ain't making no apple pie?
I'm making apple butter out of it.
Oh man.
Apple butter.
What do you do with apple butter if you don't have apple pie?
No, it's apple butter. Hey, I said no samples. No.
Listen to her. She ain't clean.
Shemita.
Man, I'm hungry.
Don't you touch this. I'm not playing with you.
I'm hungry though.
You got me on camera. Your people gonna see you get in.
I ain't ate.
Well, I'm sorry. That's when I'm cooking. So you can't eat.
That look good though.
But you can't
But
see
you, you know what I think? I think you should have changed the grease. Cause look, it getting darker. It get darker as you.
No.
Now, for the people that don't know,
steak in here.
this is literally like no cap. Not because it's my mama. This is one of the between her and him between them two. These some of the best cookers around. So both of them cook.
I heard her say,
No,
I said I meant. I meant hear me.
her own mouth.
No.
both of them can
That was
cook.
a mistake, y'all.
But
Now,
she's cooked more.
I'm a more experienced cooker.
Yeah,
now.
she's a more experienced
I
cooker,
understand.
obviously.
How was she?
Because she
How old am I?
how old y'all get in the comments. Y'all get in the comments. Y'all let me know how old y'all think she is. But before y'all I'm gonna give y'all a little
Not
time.
as experienced, baby. You
Yeah, you're not experienced, but she can cook. Show the camera what you cooked the other day. Where your phone at?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she be
Right back.
getting down too. You know
Are
what I'm saying? But listen,
I'm getting this out of here.
See, she wants y'all to think
see,
she's
but
frying this fish.
we cook. We eat our fish.
I'm just helping.
We eat our fish golden. You know what I mean?
That's all right. You don't have to eat that dark fish.
Yeah.
This not all I cook, but you know.
Let me see what she cooked. Oh, you cooked that?
See, my daughter get down
She
too.
made the little TikTok
Everybody
noodles.
get down around her.
Those are noodles with shrimp.
And
Everybody
sausages and
Why you looking like that, dude?
That's the TikTok.
You don't think she cooked it?
What?
You don't think she cooked it,
Guess
dude?
who came in here and gave me a
I
hug?
seen that.
You don't think
Yes,
she cooked it?
I
My
love
daddy
it.
back there folding clothes, y'all.
I love you. You know that?
What?
He always shoots comfortable stuff.
But yeah, so we're gonna eat, man. We're finna eat. We're gonna do all that. You know what I'm saying? The only reason why the camera on right now is because basically every time we come over here, what we do, pretty much record, right? Just for you never know what's gonna happen because of the family. So 44 game, man. This is what we're gonna do. We got it set up how we're gonna do it. So right now, Hemiwife has my mom and my daddy in the back room with the door closed back there talking. You know what I mean? She pretty much said she need to talk to them about something. So she back there talking to them about something she done probably made up or something. So what we did was we set Chucky up right here. Let me show y'all. We set Chucky up right here. You know what I mean? We set him up. We set him up right here. So when they come out, which is dark down here now, right now, y'all looking at it like that's not gonna scare them when they come out, but this light is gonna get turned off. It's gonna be completely dark. And what I'm assuming is she gonna think, or they gonna think, whichever one of them come out first, they gonna think this is my son, King, standing here. Cause the farthest thing from their mind is a Chucky doll. They hadn't seen this since the 80s. They not gonna think that this is really a Chucky doll. You know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty sure this is gonna scare them. So I'm really not gonna have to, I'm gonna set the camera up. So I'm gonna set the camera up somewhere, probably right here. Probably set it right here. Probably hide the camera right here. Cause I don't really have to hide it. I just need to set it, but this is the first thing they're gonna see. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna call them to the front room like it's an emergency or something. I'm gonna call them like real important, like something really going on. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna come running out. You know what I mean? Cause I know my mama, anything like that, she real, you know. Yeah, that's gonna make him fall. Yeah, we want to put something in his hand, but we ain't gonna be able to do it. So yeah, but that's what's gonna happen. So pretty much, I'm gonna turn this light off. Camera gonna be set up, so it's gonna be dark for a minute. And yeah, y'all gonna get the reaction when she come out. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how this go. Let's see how this go. So, hey, so what I'm gonna have to do is when I call her and she run out here, I'm gonna turn this light off. I'm gonna have this light off. When she come, I'm gonna turn it back on real fast. Otherwise, I ain't gonna be able to see nothing. She ain't gonna be able to see. You know what I'm saying? She already gonna be skeptical of what it is when she run in here. So let's get it. So it's gonna be dark for a minute, but y'all don't go nowhere. Mama! Samina! Mama, come here! Hurry up! Come here! Come here! Come on! Oh man! Hey!
What is that, y'all? Where did that come from?
Because you almost knocked those broken out. That's good. It's just a dog. That's all it is. It's a dog.
Your daddy
What's
was
that dog name? Yeah, Chucky. I remember that.
Yeah, Chucky, yeah.
Who's this is?
B.
Where did that dog come from?
Your granddaughter.
B, she almost knocked the
Shay.
lamp over.
See
Shay,
the whole
where you
you
get
almost
this
broke.
dog from, girl? Why?
Cause I wanted it.
Why?
Cause I had Tiffany, so might as well get Chucky.
Tiffany who?
That's the
wife.
that's the wife.
Oh,
She
Lord.
got the wife too. They all.
Now, y'all can take that dog.
Wait, Tiffany?
Wait a minute, I thought that lamp was about to break for real. I'm like, oh man, it's gonna be bad.
That would have been perfect though.
No, it wouldn't have been. Pop said, all right, we're done. All right.
That would have been perfect. You can stop this, say. That would have been perfect.
Oh, my God.
Put him away.
Please take that dog.
Take your. You said it was your grandson. Take your grandson away.
Y'all take that dog.
So we got her, man. We got her. You ain't gonna scare him. We couldn't scare him.
Yeah.
He ain't gonna.
He's gonna think logically.
Yeah. He gonna automatically know it's. You know what I mean? He ain't gonna scare him. We tried though, but we got the one we knew we were gonna get. We knew she was gonna go
Y'all
crazy.
can take that dog back when you got her from.
Move his eyes. He looking.
Whatever it
He
is.
trying.
What he say? I'm your
Look, he
friend to the
he-
end.
He trying to look out. Look. He trying to
You
look
been
out.
cutting that door, her?
It
Oh.
came like this. It probably supposed to be uneven like this. It's Chucky.
Oh. All right. Send us. Wanna play? All right.
No, we don't.
Send us out with a bang. So you let this thing sleep with you at night?
Oh, Shay.
Or sometimes he be in my closet. I don't know.
He scare her sometimes.
It depends on what you watch for you in the bed where he be. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this prank, man. If y'all like this prank, y'all make sure y'all share it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, if y'all want to see more of it, make sure you get in the comments. Let us know. If y'all want to see more pranks, if y'all want to see more of us as a family, let us know. You know what I'm saying? Including Pop, even though he don't want to be in the, you know what I mean? But he's starting to come around. Y'all seen him dancing. Y'all seen him dancing on it. If you follow us on Instagram, then y'all would have seen it on the Gracie corner. The daddy Papa rode a boat. Yeah. So, hey man, y'all make sure y'all like and share this video right now. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Hemiwife44. Subscribe to Hemi Life 44. Also subscribe if you're in the drums. Subscribe to my drum channel, Hemi the Drummer. You know what I'm saying? Also follow Hemi Life 44 _ drum page on Instagram.
Hemi dog, Hemi kids, Hemi wife,
Well,
Hemi life.
We got a lot going on. Make sure y'all like that. But we out of here, man. To the next one. Yes, sir.